When your unit arrives, make a visual check of the packaging material and unit and note any damages on the delivery note. Using scissors or a sharp blade, carefully remove the protective packaging. Be careful of any static. Do a further inspection of the unit for any damage that may not have been visible beneath the protective packaging material. Report any damages as soon as possible to the supplier of the unit before proceeding any further. To remove the transport pots, tilt the cabinet to one side and unscrew the pots till they easily slide off. Then screw the adjustable feet back into the base. Screws are used to secure the doors during transport. These should now be removed. Inside the unit, you should find the items listed to the left. If any of the items are missing, or if you have any other concerns, please contact the supplier of the unit for further assistance. Remove and carefully unwrap the contents of the cabinet. Then, carefully fit the header panel to the unit by using the pre-drilled holes in the roof of the cabinet. Remove the power cord from the base of the unit and check that it is not caught in any of the items in the base. Also make a check to ensure the evaporator drain pipe is located in the drip tray. Once you have placed the unit where it will stand, ensure that it is level by making adjustments to the feet. The shelves can now be added using the shelf hooks and their position adjusted in accordance to your requirements. The grille can now be fitted securely to the unit using the two lugs on either side of the base. The unit can now be powered up. Ensure that the unit has its own power supply point. Do not use multi-plugs or extension cords. Your unit will now begin to cool and should be left unstocked to reach its operating temperature. This should take approximately 30 to 40 minutes depending on the ambient temperatures. The door wheels allow for small adjustments to be made so that the door closes nicely. Check for any obstructions around the door rails if they are stuck or stiff. Both doors should close automatically and unassisted when setup is finished.